All right, Frank. Sit. What is up, everybody? Can you hear my brakes? I don't know what's on them. There's something on them. All right, so this is gonna be my first night with the GoPro. I'm hoping it comes out clear and it's not too dark, it's not too bright. I'm hoping for better quality than the 7. I mean, this camera is 2 years newer than the 7. So let's see. I won't know until I get back and start editing the footage. That's a cool tow truck. It has like LEDs on it and shit. This bike is jamming. We want to get home today. So it's a little bit chilly. What's today? Why is there so many cars? Like modified cars. Oh, what's today? Friday. Yeah, it's cruise night. This is one of the racing streets that everyone takes. Not a lot of people come this far. They make a U-turn a couple streets up, but people race on this street all the time. This is the speedway in Fresno, is Herndon. So if you ever catch yourself on Herndon next to a Honda, you're probably gonna get raced. Just how it goes. You'll see a lot of Teslas on this road too, because there's a little charging station right down the road. Let me go. Hey, if you guys have any suggestions that people that own GoPro 9s and maybe have these same type of bikes, Onyx, I don't care what kind of bike you have, but at least give me some feedback on bikes that at least do 40 miles and up, because I really want to get a good idea of what your guys' settings are on your GoPro and what works for you and all this stuff, because I want to put out the best type of footage. My main worry is just how it sounds now that I don't have wind noise activated. If I haven't talked about it already, I got graduation coming up, and after graduation, the week shortly after that, I'm gonna edit whatever videos I can. I might post every 2 days. Man, they're going so slow. It's 35, it's a 45. I'm gonna maybe try to post once every 2 days. That's my goal, because I got graduation. I'm going out of town, on vacation for a whole week, and I just have stuff to do. So I'm probably gonna space out the videos the best I can. So they speed up and they don't really stop. I feel like passing it. So they're very slow. So now they're going hella fast. It makes no sense. They didn't even stop at the 4-way stop. They rolled it hella fast. And then when I was doing almost 50, I was barely passing them. So they had to been going over 40. I hate when people sit at lights too long, and it makes me have to put my foot down. I wasn't even at the intersection yet. I'm trying not to do that. It is what it is, man. I still need to put some sticky tape on this button over here. See, now the bike will want to go up faster. See it now? Now that the batteries are a little bit warmed up, they get up to speed. It is nice out here. It is a little cold, but it is going to feel a lot better once I get home. Man, do I got a of stories to tell you guys, but I'm gonna wait for another video when I'm just kind of riding by myself and I got more time to talk. More time to talk and think at the same time instead of being in the middle of the street. A lot of stuff I want to say about something I recently ordered. I know it doesn't have to do about the Onyx. And honestly, maybe I just do have bad luck ordering stuff. That's what my girl says. She says I have a lot of bad luck. But I'm gonna save that for another video. It's really not e-bike related, so honestly, it's not really even a store you guys would care about. But if you guys are bored and you just want to see someone ride a Sur-Ron or any type of electric bike in traffic, disobeying the law, and you want to hear some stories at the same time, I'm your guy. Oh, I got a lot of people behind me now. Let's see how this intersection is gonna go. This guy's trying to turn, it looks like. Well, that worked out. Turn your headlights on, jackass. Let's go. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I should have probably maybe put a sweater on. It's a little cold. And I kind of live out in the cut where there's not many houses out this way. After I get past Ashland, and it just starts freezing. Like right now I got a little bit colder, and once I hit this next street down here a little ways, it's gonna be even worse. The speed limit is 45. Maybe I'm just impatient. Maybe that's what it is. I can't tell you. I don't know. See a Mustang. We might catch it, we might not. I wish people would check before pulling out. I feel like people do not look whatsoever. But you get used to it. I mean, if you rode a bike as a kid, you get so used to people not seeing you. You're maybe on the sidewalk going from street to street, neighborhood to neighborhood. And you realize, as a kid, you know, people just pull out. There's nothing you can do. So, even though I don't ride a motorcycle per se, it's just pretty much like a motorcycle. You're doing the exact same thing. You're going the exact same speed limit as everybody else. I do feel a little more street smart in what to do and what not to do, even though I do sometimes ride kind of stupid. But this keeps me out of actually being stupid because I can't go faster than like 60 miles an hour. If I had a motorcycle, I already know I'd be probably doing like 140, 160 on the freeway just because I like speed. That's why I ordered 72-volt battery for this bike. Alright guys, that was the video. Let's pray that this GoPro footage is good. Let me know down in the comments, and let me know if you guys have a GoPro 9 or what you guys are using to record your bike footage, whether it be mountain bikes or e-bikes or BMX bikes, whatever it has to do. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a night. I got work earlier tomorrow, so I'm gonna get out of here. Later guys.